And we have here Zambales, City of Biñan, and Palayan City, Nueva Ecija. We only have 2 days left.
Yes po.
2 days na lang ating inintay para koronahan na ang ating next Misters of Filipinas. How do you feel about that?
Regarding po sa preparation ko, of course, it has been balanced, emotion, physically, and I just want to bring a pride on my own dam, of course.
Medyo malakas ang Zambales or yung fan base mo, di ba? Ano yung support ay grabe for you. Medyo konti na lang, konting oras, 48 hours and 2-hour coronation night. Ano ang sa palagay mo expectations mo?
For me, I'm a little bit nervous. Siyempre, pag nasa stage na tayo, hindi mawawala yung ganyan. But lalaban tayo and mananalo tayo. Hindi tayo papayag na hindi pumasok sa top 10. Gagalingan natin. Go, Biñan.
Yeah, kasi pag pumasok na sa top 10, that is the test of your intelligence.
Yes.
From intelligence, you will give the round of to 5 winners, I think. Diba? 4 winners, 4 major winners.
Even though tomorrow po.
You still don't know yet about that.
No.
Kasi physically, you are also gorgeous. Wala na pong problema dyan. This is a mental war between all of you as a candidate. So how would you be able to cope up with that?
Focusing on myself, of course, and brotherhood dito sa Misters of Filipinas is never sways na emotions po eh. Multiple emotions, the bonding, the memories, experiences. I'm coping up with siguro probably bonding.
Yeah, aside from you will be getting the crown, what is the ROI or takeaway of joining Misters of Filipinas?
First, di mawawala yung mga opportunities dyan. And the brotherhood nga, friendship, and ayun po, yung dalawa pong hindi mawawala talaga.
Fairness naman.
Ako, syempre, to be aligned with the most, yes po. Actually kasi itong batch na po is mabigat. Most of the candidates po kasi is grand winner of their respective own province or cities. Kaya parang mapabilang pa lang bilang isang candidate ng Misters of Philippines ngayong batch is I'm very grateful na po.
Same as them po.
Yun na lang. Okay. To lighten up the show, isn't it? You think is the title that suits you?
Of course, man of the world na, syempre.
Man of the world, syempre the top.
Yes po.
For me, may bago ata silang title na kinukuha. And I think sa Korea yun. Gusto ko rin makapunta sa Korea. So, yun ang i-aim ko.
Kasi Korea ng peg mo. Ganon.
Ako probably yung sa Myanmar.
And good luck at your journey. Sabi nyo nga, what we are gonna be getting and this biggest takeaway from here is the brotherhood. I
Yes,
think that's it. That's it talaga gonna be getting. And also the connections with other people.
Yes.
Maraming salamat and good luck to each and everyone. Thank you so much.
Bye guys.